Hello guys, welcome back to another short video on SharePoint. In the last video we have seen some of the basic features which can be used for a list. In this video we can see how we can create different views for this list. Views are nothing but a different display pages where you can customize this list based on your requirement. Like in one view, if you want to show only reason and units columns, you can show in that display page. Similarly, in another view where you want to show 30 items at a time, you can do that one as well. So like this, you can do customizations based on your requirement. So let's create a view here. To create a view, click on three dots. Here you can see an option by name, create view. Click on that one. So the first option is a standard view which is similar to a view which currently we have seen. So that is a by default one. So there is another view by name datasheet view which is similar to a editable spreadsheet in Excel. So this is another view where as soon user comes to this page, the list will be in editable format so that they can enter their data here. Similarly, there is another view by name calendar view where you can show your data as a daily, weekly, monthly and based on your tasks, etc. etc. Similarly, some other views are also there. Either you can choose any one of these options or there is another option at the bottom which is start from an existing view. If you choose this option, all the columns and settings will be taken from all items view and based upon that one you can create your view. It's kind of a template from where you are customizing your view. This is a better option whenever you are creating a new view. I will select this option all item. First thing you need to do is you need to give a name for your view. If you want you can make this one as a default view. So user when comes to this list, this view will be displayed to them. There are two options. Either you can make this view as your personal view so that you can only view this one, or you can make it as public view so that all users can see this view. As in this view, I just want to show reason column and units column. I can uncheck the other columns. Once you choose your options, you don't need to worry about the order of the columns. By default, SharePoint will take care of this one. Once you are done with the changes, scroll down and you can customize other things as well, like how this view should be sorted or what should be the filters and what should be the filter criterias and what is the total number of count you want to show on your view, etc. etc. So once you are done with all your changes, click on OK. You can see a new view has been created by name reason view. As we have selected only two columns, reason and units, only those two columns are selected here. If you click on all items, again the default view which contains all the columns will be shown here. So this is how we can create different views in SharePoint list and make use of this one. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel and share it to others.